In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills and endless fields, Amelia and Nathan found love in the most unexpected way. She was the daughter of a wealthy merchant, destined for a life of luxury and ease. He was a humble blacksmith, his hands calloused from years of hard work, his heart untouched by wealth but rich in dreams. Their love was whispered in stolen moments, hidden beneath the shade of ancient oak trees, and exchanged in secret letters tucked between the pages of books. To the world, they were two souls separated by fate, but to each other, they were everything. When Amelia's father discovered their secret, his fury was swift and merciless. "You will marry a man of status," he declared, "not a man who dirties his hands in the fire of a forge." But love does not bow to the demands of society. One night, under the silver glow of the moon, Amelia made her choice. With nothing but the clothes on her back, she ran to Nathan, her heart pounding with both fear and excitement. "I would rather have a life of struggle with you than a lifetime of riches without love," she whispered. Nathan took her into his arms, vowing to protect her no matter the cost. They left the village, seeking a new beginning where no one could tear them apart. The journey was arduous, filled with nights of hunger and days of uncertainty. Yet, through every hardship, their love remained unshaken. Years passed, and their struggles bore fruit. Nathan became a renowned craftsman, his work admired far and wide. Amelia, no longer the daughter of a merchant, found joy in a simpler life, her love for Nathan growing deeper with each passing day. Then, fate tested them once more. A letter arrived. Amelia's father was gravely ill, his wealth unable to buy him more time. Torn between the past and the present, she hesitated. "Should I go?" she asked Nathan, her voice laced with sorrow. "Follow your heart, Amelia," he said, his eyes reflecting both love and understanding. She returned home to find a man chained by regret. "I was blinded by pride," her father admitted, "but I see now that love is the only treasure worth having." When Amelia returned to Nathan, she carried not only forgiveness but also a gift, her father's blessing. Their love had endured, proving that some things in life were worth any price. And so, beneath the same ancient oak trees where their love had first bloomed, they built a home filled with laughter, devotion, and the knowledge that love, once found, is worth any sacrifice.